Fix Google Drive, the server encountered an error. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first step is go to Google, then go to search bar, search for Google Drive server status. If the server is fine, go back to your home page, then go to Play Store, search for Google Drive, and if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of Google Drive. Next step, go to settings, go to apps, then find Google Drive, go to its storage section, then tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.